Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an omelet on an egg boiler. Preheat the boiler, whisk 2 eggs with salt and pepper, pour the mixture into the cup, and set the timer for 6 minutes. Add cheese or veggies through the top after 3 minutes if your model allows, then let it rest 1 minute before removing. Serve folded with herbs and a slice of toast for a quick, protein-packed breakfast. Crack eggs gently into a bowl to check quality, then whisk until uniform and slightly frothy for a fluffier omelet. Lightly spray the boiler cup with oil or butter to prevent sticking and heat evenly. Fold in fillings like diced tomatoes, spinach, or cooked ham, keeping total volume below the cup rim. Use a fork to loosen edges and let steam finish cooking to avoid rubbery texture. Serve immediately to enjoy warm texture. If your omelet is undercooked, return it to the egg boiler for 1 to 2 additional minutes and cover to trap steam. For fluffier results, add 1 tablespoon of milk per 2 eggs before whisking and avoid overbeating. For a denser, French-style omelet, cook slightly longer on low heat and roll rather than fold. Experiment with fillings and timers to match your model and enjoy the results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.